Maybe my iReady, a learning app. Guys, where should I put it? I'm gonna put it here. There. And, yep, that's it. So after white, guess what color it is? I'll give you 5 seconds. It's red, of course. So I'm gonna put this up here, and then it'll be white and red. What else? Let's see any. Oh, yeah, we have a photo booth. Yeah, I don't even use that, though. And, yeah, that's basically it. But I'm going to put that with the red. With the white. So then that name would be white and red non-use. If you guys have a better name, please tell me. Because I don't know. I'm not that good at naming. But now it's time for orange. So we have a books. I also don't use that, but I'm going to have to put in a different category. So that would go here. Then we have a tips. So we can put that in the books. Then I have Raz Kids, which is a reading app. And yeah. My Robloxes keep going to the 3rd page. Okay, so now that we have orange, it's time to name this. Orange non-use. Hold up, we have to take this Raz Kids out because I use it. And now it's time for yellow. Snapchat. And yep, that's it. Now it's green. Message. My green is basically texting app, so I can put that in here. Green